For years, you've been told you have a slow metabolism. That's probably the biggest lie in fitness. The truth is, your metabolism isn't broken, it's just bored. And in the next 6 minutes, I'm going to prove it to you and show you exactly how to wake it up. Welcome back to FitNut. Let's be honest, blaming a slow metabolism is the go-to reason when weight loss feels impossible. It's frustrating. It makes you feel like your body is working against you, and it can make you want to give up. But what if I told you that for 99% of us, our metabolism isn't the problem? The problem is that we're not giving it the right signals. Today, we're going to cut through all the noise and the misinformation. No magic pills, no weird detox teas. We're diving into 3 simple, science-backed strategies that you can start using today to get your metabolism fired up and working for you, not against you. This is about understanding your body, not fighting it. Okay, strategy number 1 is the most important, so listen up. You need to feed your muscles. We've been conditioned to think that cardio is the king of metabolism, but that's not the whole story. Your basal metabolic rate, or BMR, that's the number of calories your body burns just to stay alive, is primarily driven by how much muscle mass you have. Muscle is more metabolically active than fat. In fact, a pound of muscle burns 3 times more calories at rest than a pound of fat. So, how do we build muscle at home? You don't need a fancy gym. Let me show you 3 essential moves. Body weight squats. They are the king of lower body exercises, working your glutes and quads, the biggest muscles in your body. Glute bridges. Lie on your back, knees bent, and drive your hips to the sky. This wakes up your glutes, which helps your posture and builds that metabolic engine. Plank rows. Get into a strong plank position. Grab a weight milk jug, a heavy backpack, anything works, and row it up towards your chest, keeping your hips stable. This builds your back and core. By adding strength training to your routine, you are sending the single loudest signal to your body to boost its metabolism. Strategy number 2 is all about what you're putting on your plate. You need to prioritize protein. Have you ever heard of the Thermic effect of food, or TEF? It's the energy your body uses to digest and absorb nutrients. And guess what? Protein has the highest TEF of all the macronutrients. Your body has to work harder and burn more calories just to break it down. So, making sure you have a good source of protein with every meal is like giving your metabolism a little nudge throughout the day. What does that look like in real life? It's simple. For breakfast, it could be eggs or Greek yogurt. For lunch, a salad with grilled chicken or a bowl with lentils and tofu. For a snack, a handful of almonds or a piece of string cheese. It's not about eating only protein. It's about making sure it's always part of the meal to keep you full and keep that metabolic fire stoked. This brings me to our 3rd and final strategy, and it might be the most counterintuitive of all. You have to stop starving yourself. I know, it sounds crazy, but those extreme, very low-calorie diets, they are metabolic poison. When you drastically cut your calories, your body doesn't know you're trying to fit into a pair of jeans. It thinks there's a famine. It goes into survival mode, and what does it do? It slows your metabolism way down to conserve energy. It starts breaking down precious, metabolically active muscle for fuel. This is why so many people hit a plateau and then gain all the weight back. The key is consistency. Eating structured meals every 3 to 5 hours sends a signal of abundance to your body. It tells your metabolism, hey, everything is okay. There's plenty of fuel. You can keep burning at a nice, high rate. It's about fueling your body, not depriving it. Okay, are you ready for the biggest metabolism myth bust of all? You've been led to believe that thin people have faster metabolisms. That is false. Here's the truth. Overweight individuals often have a faster metabolism than slimmer people. Why? It's simple physics. It takes more energy, more calories to move and maintain a larger body. Think about it. A 200-pound person burns significantly more calories on a 1-mile walk than a 125-pound person. This single fact changes everything. It means the problem isn't that your metabolism is genetically slow or broken. The problem is simply energy balance. This is empowering. It shifts the focus from a perceived flaw you can't control to behaviors and habits that you absolutely can control using the 3 strategies we just talked about. C. Your metabolism isn't broken. It's powerful. It's just waiting for the right signals from you. If this video changed the way you think about your body, do me a favor and hit that like button and then share it with a friend who needs to hear this message. Now for our community challenge. In the comments below, let me know which of these 3 tips feeding your muscle, prioritizing protein, or eating consistently you're going to start with this week. I want to hear from you. Let's hold each other accountable. And make sure you subscribe and hit the bell, because in our next video, we're doing a full anti-cardio workout that will put these principles into action. Thanks for being here. Now go give your metabolism what it needs.